Samsung launched that phone? Yeah, you know the one I'm talking about, the one that had everyone buzzing, the one that set the bar higher for all smartphones. Okay, you get it. Samsung launches a lot of phones, each one better than the last, pushing the boundaries of technology. But this ain't just another phone launch. This is something revolutionary. This is the big leagues, folks. The kind of event that tech enthusiasts dream about. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because things are about to get interesting. We're talking about the next level of innovation. We've all been waiting, refreshing our feeds for even a whisper of when the next generation of foldable magic would drop. The anticipation has been building up for months. The rumor mill's been churning, but let's be real, sometimes those rumors are wilder than a screen protector after a drop test. We've heard everything from holographic displays to AI-driven features. Well, guess what? Whisper no more. The wait is over, and the future is here. I've got the inside scoop straight from the tech trenches, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is set to redefine what we expect from our devices. From its cutting-edge design to its groundbreaking features, this is the phone that will set the standard for years to come. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series has always been about pushing boundaries. From the very first model, Samsung has been on a relentless quest to innovate and redefine what we expect from our smartphones. Each iteration has brought something new to the table, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is no exception. It's about taking something familiar, like a phone, and literally flipping the script. Imagine a device that transforms from a compact phone into a tablet-sized screen, offering you the best of both worlds. It's not just a phone, it's a versatile tool that adapts to your needs. With the Fold 6, get ready to witness Samsung redefine what a smartphone can do. The new hinge mechanism is more durable, the screen is more vibrant, and the overall user experience is more seamless than ever before. It's a marvel of engineering and design. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new experience. Think smoother, faster, stronger. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is equipped with the latest processor, ensuring that everything from gaming to multitasking is incredibly fluid. It's designed to keep up with your fast-paced life. Think features that sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie but are actually real life. Imagine augmented reality capabilities, advanced AI that learns your habits, and a camera system that rivals professional equipment. It's like having a piece of the future in your pocket. I know, I'm being vague, but hey, a little mystery keeps things spicy, right? The anticipation is part of the excitement. Trust me, the wait will be worth it when you finally get your hands on this groundbreaking device. Let's just say Samsung has been listening to your feedback, and they're about to drop a device that'll have you saying, "Shut up and take my money." They've taken all the best features from previous models and added even more innovations to create something truly special. Get ready to be amazed. All right, enough teasing. You came here for a date, and I'm here to deliver. Drum roll, please. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be unveiled on August 15th, 2024. That's right, folks. Mark it, schedule it, tattoo it on your arm. Okay, maybe not that last one. Samsung's going big this year, choosing a mid-August launch to grab the spotlight before the back-to-school rush really kicks in. We're expecting the usual fanfare, a slick live stream, some epic slow-motion shots of the phone unfolding, and maybe even a surprise guest appearance. Stay tuned. Section 4. What we think we know. Wink wink. Now let's talk specs, baby. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the talk of the town, and for good reason. While Samsung's keeping the juiciest details under wraps, for now, the anticipation is building up like never before. The rumor mill's been hinting at some seriously impressive upgrades. We're talking about features that could redefine what we expect from a smartphone. Think a more durable hinge, one that can withstand the rigors of daily use without breaking a sweat. A brighter, even more immersive display that makes every image pop and every video come to life. And a camera system that'll make you ditch your DSLR for good. Imagine capturing professional-grade photos and videos right from your phone. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, my friends. There's so much more lurking beneath the surface. Word on the street is that Samsung might even be introducing some groundbreaking new software features specifically designed to take advantage of that beautiful folding screen. Imagine apps and functionalities that are tailor-made for a foldable display. Could this be the year multitasking reaches a whole new level? Picture yourself seamlessly switching between tasks with multiple apps open side by side. I guess we'll have to wait and see. The excitement is palpable, and the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned, because the future of smartphones is just around the corner. Section 5. Get ready to fold. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is coming in hot, and it's shaping up to be an absolute game changer. Clear your schedules, charge your devices, and get ready for the tech event of the year. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my in-depth review, first impressions, and all the juicy details once the Fold 6 drops. Until then, stay tuned.